Hunter X-Core manual settings. So currently we're on run, automatic setting. Turn it to manual. It's on program B right now, so station 1 has no time set for program B. So you can add time if you want to run that, or you can go to the program that has time for it, which it's set for 4 minutes on program A. And to run that 4 minutes, you can also add more or less to that by plus or minus, but you can, I don't know if you can hear it starting up there, but it'll run for the 4 minutes and then it'll go back to the automatic cycle. And if you want to stop it anytime in between, turn it to off, wait a few seconds for it to catch up. It shows you that it turned off. Then I can go, I'll show you that because it's on A. On program B, it has no time, but station runtime 2 is 6 minutes on program B. And program C, 2 has no time set, but station runtime 3, let's not confuse those. The runtime for station 3 is 2 minutes on program C. And it has no other time set on A, and it has no other time set on B, only on program C. So then we'll 4 nothing and or 0, and then station 1 on program A has 4 minutes. And then we're going to, well, you can hear it run again. Turn it to off. And we'll return it to the automatic programming.